Tired of battling bulky adapters, tripping over cables, and bending over like you're searching for lost treasure? Meet the 9-in-1 USB wall outlet extender. This isn't just a wall plug, it's a command center. We're unboxing something small, but mighty. Inside a full-on power command center, 6 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, including a fast-charging USB-C port, and a rotating plug that works with you, not against your furniture. It turns left, it turns right. It dodges dressers and hugs weirdly positioned wall sockets. It's like yoga for your outlet. And check this out. The outlets are 3-sided, meaning every port gets some breathing room. It's ETL certified, and it's built with 1800 joules of real surge protection that reacts in under a nanosecond. Yep, a nanosecond. It's also packing smart USB charging, so your devices get exactly the power they need. No overheating, no battery damage, and no sad 5-hour smartphone charges. And because it's the size of a small TV remote, this thing is basically begging to travel with you. 1 wall plug, 9 devices, 0 drama. Look, wall plugs aren't glamorous, but they are essential. And this one quietly solves more problems than you expect for something that fits in your pocket. From fast charging to surge protection to just straight up convenience, this thing delivers. And hey, if it helped you figure out what to buy instead of doom scrolling Amazon for another hour, give it a like, sub, or comment "No more cord chaos" below.